It's a 2019 INFINITI QX50. This is refinement redefined. It complements what you do, moving through the world confidently. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, INFINITI InTouch apps, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, voice activation, 3 12-volt power outlets, manual tilting steering column, and doors and push-button start proximity key. Of the QX50, Kelley Blue Book writes, "Step inside and try not to be impressed by the stunning interior with colors, shapes, materials, and surfaces that make this among the most luxurious in the segment." Empower your drive with the performance, luxury, and beauty of INFINITI. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Whether you're shopping for a new or top-quality pre-owned vehicle, choose Hudson Toyota in Jersey City, New Jersey.